Hello. Today's demo will go through how to set the financial project plan to baseline using the Financial Projects Integrator. Additionally, we will go through how you can create a budget version and baseline it. For our first example, we are going to look at an existing project in Oracle that is currently not baseline. As you can see, the baseline start date and baseline finish date are empty and not populated for this project here. I've downloaded the project using the Financial Projects Integrator. For this project, we want to extend the end date of the project by 1 year, and we want that end date to be used as an end date for all the tasks on the project. We then want to baseline the project plan. As you can see, I have deleted a lot of unnecessary columns from the sheet. This is because I just want to focus on 3 sections: the project header, tasks, and baseline. Let's change the end dates of the project and the tasks. I want the project finish date to be used as a task finish date for all the tasks on the project. So I'm going to put the planned finish date at the default row 10. I'm going to put the task upload action of update. And I'm going to delete all the existing end dates for the tasks. I'm going to put an update here in the header as well. In the baseline section, there are 3 columns: baseline project, plan type, and baseline budget. If you enter in yes in the baseline project, the project plan will be set to baseline. You don't need to enter anything in the plan type or baseline budget columns if you do not want to create a budget version and baseline it. For this example, we want to set the financial project plan to baseline, create a budget version, and create a baseline for that budget version. And this is how we do it. You can either enter in the values directly into the cells, or you can use the data forms. Baseline project, let's set it to yes. For the plan type, you'll get a list of all the plan types available in your Oracle system. You need to choose one that is applicable for your project. For our project here, we're going to choose approved cost budget as the plan type. And we want to also baseline that budget once it is created. So we're going to select yes. Click OK. Now you can directly enter these values into the cells. You don't need to use the data forms, but if you want the values to be validated, you can use the data forms. Now we are ready to upload. The baseline functionality in the Financial Projects Integrator will be triggered only when all the other sections are valid. If for any reason there are errors in other sections on the sheet, the baseline functionality will not be triggered. So let's upload the dates for the project header and tasks, and also kick off the baseline functionality. As you can see, all the sections were successfully uploaded to Oracle. Let's go in Oracle and see what this project now looks like. As you can see, the end date of the project has been extended to 2026. Let's go have a look at the project plan. The baseline start and baseline finish dates have been successfully populated. Let's go have a look at the project budget. The project budget shows that a budget has been created and baselined, and a new current working version has been created.
You can use the Financial Projects Integrator to download multiple projects, to update the end dates, and set the project plan to baseline, create budget version, and baseline it without going into Oracle to do this manually for each project. We hope you found this demo useful. Thank you for watching.